Hello guys, this is Roby's Kitchen. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome back to Roby's Kitchen. Ngayon po ay magluluto tayo ng budbud rice. Ito po yung mga gagamitin nating ingredients. Pork chop, garlic, egg, tomato. Unang step po, mag-fry muna po tayo ng garlic. Medium heat lang po para hindi po nasusunog yung garlic. Sunod naman po natin ang scrambled egg. May salt and pepper na po ito. Scramble po natin. Guys, ayan, okay na po siya. Sunod naman po natin na i-fry natin yung pork chop. Guys, ayan, pa-fry natin ang pork chop. Guys, ayan po, golden brown na po ang pork chop. Guys, gawa naman po tayo ng fried rice. Garlic fried rice po. Guys, ito na po yung finished product. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.